In the world of AI, we've just witnessed a monumental leap. Forget incremental updates, we're talking about a complete shift in capability. Welcome to unleashing the power of Gemini 3. We are not just chatting with AI anymore, we are giving it a plan, a vision, and watching it execute. To access this power, it's simple. You'll start by searching for Gemini 3. Try Gemini 3 Pro for free. Now, look right down here, near the bottom of your screen. Next to the microphone icon, you'll see a small model selector. When you click on it, you'll see two main options as shown right here. First, this is your workhorse model, designed for speed. It answers quickly and is perfect for everyday tasks like summarizing emails or simple brainstorming. Think with 3 Pro. This is the model we'll be using for this course. As the description says, it thinks through complex topics. This means it uses a deeper, multi-step internal reasoning process, which is essential for the coding, video analysis, and complex logic apps we're about to build. We need that level of thinking. With 3 Pro, you get the power to unlock the multimodal and advanced features we'll be demoing. So select that model. That's the key. Choosing the right engine is crucial for all the powerful demos we're about to dive into. Take a quick look around the interface. We've got these great prompt shortcuts like create image, create video, write anything, help me learn, and boost my day. These options hint at its multimodal power. We also have a tools menu. So first up, we have deep research. This is like having an expert analyst. It can sift through hundreds of web sources in minutes to create a comprehensive report, saving you hours of searching. Then there's create videos. This is Google's state-of-the-art video generation model. We'll be using its incredible capability to bring creative concepts to life. Just a prompt. Then we have create images. This uses the latest image models to turn your text into studio-quality visuals. Then there's Canvas. This gives you a collaborative, interactive workspace right inside the app for longer-form tasks, code, and reports. Then there's guided learning. This feature turns research into an interactive lesson, asking you follow-up questions to help you truly master a new topic. So the interface, it's clean, it's intuitive, and it's where all the magic starts. Since this new level of intelligence is at the core, watch for the first monumental difference you'll notice in the output. It's the generative user interface, or generative UI. Other models generate code, but what's new here is the seamless, integrated ecosystem powered by 3 Pro's way of thinking. Gemini 3 can plan, design, and deliver a fully functional UI without any complicated external setups. To prove it, we'll use the Canvas tool. I'm going to give it a detailed prompt now. Here is the prompt I'm using. I'm asking Gemini 3 to build a complete Paris travel planner as a single-file React app with an interactive Paris map, a mock flight search panel, and a device itinerary builder that includes restaurant rating sliders and rating summaries. The layout uses a blue and silver theme, card-based sections, smooth hover effects, and responsive design. Now, I'll copy and paste this into Gemini 3. Select Thinking with 3 Pro, and from Tools, choose Canvas. And just like that, the AI executes its plan. Check this out. I literally just pasted a single prompt into Gemini 3, asking for a complete Paris travel planner. And look at what it generated, instantly. I asked for a specific blue and silver theme in a single React file, and it totally nailed the aesthetic. Look at the features we have, the map feature. This is super cool. It's an interactive abstract map. I can click on the location and it adds right into my itinerary. So for top attractions, we have the places here, and I'm clicking Add to Itinerary now. Flight search. I've got this fully functional mock search panel here. So I'm selecting New York. I can enter dates here. So this is our interface, and we can see the code here. It did all of this code in one go. Gemini 3 is honestly on another level. This is the shift. Gemini 3 has moved from being just an assistant to becoming an autonomous software developer. It takes complex intent and delivers a functional, professional prototype. That's generative UI, taking context and producing a complete interactive component.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.